Hello, my name is Deepak Dayal. I am the managing partner for DayalLegal Associates. This particular video today is being made so that I can give you more information regarding the banking and financial services rules pertaining to non-resident Indians. Many non-resident Indians have bank accounts in India, they have investment accounts, they have mutual funds, stocks, and more importantly, real estate in India. They may have purchased those real estate by their own money, or they may have inherited the real estate in India. Now, some of them may want to rent out the properties which they have to earn a regular income, or they may wish to sell the properties and take the proceeds back to their host countries in which they are currently residing. Now, real estate rules and regulations in principle are the same for residents and non-residents, broadly speaking. But yes, when it comes to banking transactions, like there are few issues that non-resident Indians and OCIs are not allowed to purchase agricultural property in India. But that is just one major difference. But the practical side is that when it comes to taking money, bringing money into India has never been a problem for non-resident Indians as well as OCIs. You can send money through your NRI or your NRO account and use that bank account and the proceeds to buy the property in India. The challenge has always been when you sell your property, your real estate, which you may have purchased yourself, or may have been, the property may have been gifted to you, or you have inherited the property. When you sell that property, the money comes into your bank account. Now you have to you don't live in India, obviously you're living in America, US, Canada, Singapore, and now you want to take your money out of India. Now this is where the law starts getting complex, and the rules and the interpretation of rules by the various banks and the bank managers vary from time to time. Although RBI is very categorical and the laws are very clear, the circulars are very clear, but the implementation and always the interpretation of the rules varies. Domestic Indian nationalized banks and managers working in them, they slightly have a different way to look at these transactions. Multinational banks and the managers, they have a slightly different method of looking at these transactions. You as a client, once you have sold your property, yes, there are some tax liabilities which you have to ensure that the taxes have been paid. You also have to ensure that property taxes have been paid, income taxes have been filed, because if it is resident income from India, whether you are a NRI or a resident Indian or an OCI, that tax liability definitely is there, and you need to pay tax of the profits which you have earned in India from Indian assets. But again, the challenge of remitting the funds overseas, is it through your NRE account or your NRO account? What all documents are required? First of all, how do you prove that, how did you acquire the property? And sometimes you may not even have the original documents or the methods through which the properties were purchased, but those have to be shown. The sale transaction has to be shown. You also then want to take the proceeds out of the country. What all documents are required? What kind of CA certifications are required? What kind of taxes need to be paid before you are allowed to send your money from your personal bank account into your personal bank account overseas? So we will take this in greater detail, and we will give you more documents and updated information, which hopefully will help all of you in doing a property transaction in India. Thank you. If you have found this video useful, then please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.